Welcome to this video series that describes completing a horizontal bar stock engine restoration. I had started this project in 2025 before I started making YouTube videos. The engine was unfinished and has been sat in my workshop, collecting dust, ever since. I decided that I would complete the restoration as the engine will be a nice addition to my collection. This photo shows the engine in various stages of assembly from 2025 when I first started the project. I didn't take a lot of pictures as I wasn't making YouTube videos at the time. This clip shows the engine on the bench today. The engine is quite dusty, so I decided a strip down, clean and rebuild would be required to complete the refurbishment. This clip shows me removing the spacers that hold the engine down to the baseboard. Next, I removed the flywheel by loosening the grub screw that holds it onto the crankshaft. I then removed the cylinder end cover by removing the 4 bolts that hold it onto the cylinder. I removed the crank pin from the crank web to release the connecting rod. This clip shows me removing the pins from the eccentric rod and connecting rod to disconnect them from the valve and piston rods respectively. Next, I removed the bolts that hold the front cylinder cover and crosshead guide onto the cylinder. I then removed the bolts that hold the cylinder onto the cylinder support. This engine is quite different to others as the cylinder support forms the steam chest cover. You can see that I'm putting components in a blue bin as I remove them. This prevents them getting lost. I was then able to remove the cylinder from its support and withdraw the piston from the cylinder. I removed the screws that hold the cylinder support onto the box bed, however, the support is pinned in place. I decided to leave the support on the box bed as I can clean both together. I then removed the grub screw that holds the eccentric in place and withdrew the crankshaft from the bearing blocks. With the crankshaft removed, disassembly of the engine was complete. I'll leave this video here and pick up again in the next one. So, that's part 1 of finishing a horizontal bar stock engine refurbishment. This should be a short video series as there's not much to do with the engine. I'll be posting more videos on this project soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.